Hello my dear students, welcome to the Abacus class. Now we are going to start our next level, that is a 5th A. This level is for class 3rd and class 4th and the revision part for class 5th class. Okay, in this level our only topic is there, that is big friends. Big friends formulas, everything is there in this topic. So what are big friends, or which numbers are known as big friends? Numbers that come under 10. Earlier we did small friends. Small friends are those which comes under 5. Now big friends, so the numbers that comes under 10. Under 10 means below 10. So numbers जो 10 से पहले आते हैं, हमें पता है नंबर्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं, नंबर्स 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 1 2 3 4 so on. जो नंबर जो 10 से नीचे वाले हैं वो सभी नंबर्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, बिग फ्रेंड्स. सो बिग फ्रेंड्स कौन कौन से नंबर हुए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These all numbers come under 10. So that's why these numbers are known as big friends. Which numbers are known as big friends? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These 9 numbers are known as big friends. In this topic we will talk about first 10 numbers. So 9 numbers are our best friends. So remaining last number, that is 10 number, that is called our common friend of all the big friends. 10 is a common friend for all the big friends. Means 10 is a friend of 1, 10 is a friend of 2, 10 is a friend of 3, 10 is a friend of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 10 is a common friend of all the big friends. So in this level, like small friends, we have 3 main topics: big friends, common friend and best friend. Big friends we already learned, 1 to 9 numbers are known as big friends. Common friend is 10 because we will talk about 10 numbers here. So last big number is our common friend. So best friend, how we will calculate the best friend? Last also we learned, in the small friend, from the common friend subtract the small friend, but here from the common friend you have to subtract the big friend. Only difference is there because here we are talking about the big friends, so we have to write everybody in the place of a small friend, we have to write big friend. So firstly write your best friends here. First best friend 1, first big friend is 1, 2, 3 and 4. How we will find the best friend of big friend 1? So common friend is 10, we know that 10 minus subtract your big friend. Now we are here talking about 1, so subtract 1 from 10. So what is the answer? 9. 9 is a best friend of 1. So next number is 2. Best friend of 2 is from the common friend we have to subtract big friend. Here big friend is 2, so 10 minus 2 is 8. So best friend of 2 is 8. Next number is 3. From the common friend subtract the big friend. 10 minus 3, your answer is 7. 7 is the best friend of 3. 4. From the common friend subtract the big friend. 10 minus 4, your answer is 6. 6 is the best friend of 4. Why we are saying that best friend of 1 is 9? That numbers, when we will add that numbers, then 10 should become 1 plus 9, 10 is there. 2 plus 8, 10 is there. 3 plus 7, 10 is there. 4 plus 6, 10 is there. Best friends and big friends are those numbers, when we are adding that numbers, then our common friend should come. So that's why we are calculating here, from the common friend we are subtracting the big friends. Next best friend is a big friend of 5. Big friend, now best friend of 5 is 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10. Now 6. Best friend of 6 is 4. Best friend of 7 is 3. Best friend of 8 is 2 and best friend of 9 is 1. Similarly see, best friend of 1 is 9, best friend of 9 is 1, best friend of 2 is 8, best friend of 8 is 2. Similar, because same numbers are there. Best friend of 3 is 7, So best friend of 7 is 3, because when we are adding 3 to 7, then 10 comes. Now best friend of 4 is 6. So best friend of 6 is also 4. Best friend of 5 is 5, because 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is all about the intro of best friends. Best friends numbers that come under 10. 10 के अंदर कौन से नंबर्स आते हैं, वो नंबर्स हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं. कॉमन फ्रेंड कौन सा है? 10, the last big, the remaining number, because we are talking about here 10 numbers here in big friends. So 10 is our common friend. So best friends कौन से हैं? Every 9 numbers is having best friends. Okay, this is all about the best friends. Now best friend formulas are there. Like small friend formulas, there are also formulas. In small friend, we were having 4 plus formulas and 4 negative formulas. But here we are having 9 formulas containing plus sign and 9 formulas containing negative sign. So best friend formulas. Now write your big friends here. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9. So formulas we have to write. So what is the formula of plus 1 in big friend? What is the formula? Subtract your best friend, add your common friend. What is the formula? Subtract your best friend and add your common friend. You cannot interchange like add your common friend and subtract your best friend. No. Firstly you have to subtract your best friend and then you have to add your common friend. Now best friend of 1 in big friend, who one is the best friend of 1? That is 9. So minus 9 plus common friend of that big friends is 10. So plus 9 minus 9 plus 10 is the formula. So plus 2, best friend of 2 is 8, minus 8 plus common friend is 10. Plus 3 formula is best friend of 3 is 7, minus 7 plus 10. Then 4, best friend of 4 is 6, add common friend. Then 5, best friend of 5 is 5, add common friend. 6, best friend of 6 is 4, add add common friend. Best friend of 7 is 3, add common friend. Best friend of 8 is 2, minus 2 plus add common friend. Best friend of 9 is 1, minus 1 plus 10. These all are 9 formulas related to plus sign. There are total 18 formulas because 9 containing plus formulas and 9 containing negative formulas. Now write again big friends. So what is the formula of negative? Subtract your common friend, adding your best friend. Subtract your common friend, adding your best friend. Common friend is similar for all. So minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Every time common friend is similar. Negative sign and common friend is same for all. Now plus best friend. Best friend of 1 is 9 because when we are adding 9 to 1, 10 comes. Best friend of 2 is 8. Best friend of 3 is 7. Best friend of 4 is 6. Best friend of 5 is 5. Best friend of 6 is 4. Best friend of 7 is 3. Best friend of 8 is 2. And best friend of 9 is 1. So here one common thing is there in all the formulas that every time big friend formulas will start with minus sign. Similar small friend formulas were going to start with plus sign, but here big friend formulas will going to start with negative sign. Every time negative sign should be come in the front. In both are negative sign, negative side also and positive. When we are doing with positive for addition of 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And if we want to subtract up to 9, then always negative sign will come first in the formula. These are the 18 formulas are there in the big friend. Big friend numbers are 1 to 9, common friend is 10, and best friends are those numbers when we are adding that two numbers, our common friend should come. So, and 18 formulas are there. This is all about the intro.